going to cut my hair. I don't even remember the last time I did it, but it needs it. So in the shower I did like a deep condition. I don't know. Used a ton of conditioner so that all of my hair had a thick layer of it. Maybe that's how most of you do it every time, but I have a ton of hair. So if I were to do that, every time I condition my hair, I would have to go through a bottle like a week. So I always start out by going down the middle, even though I usually don't part my hair in the middle to cut it. That's what I do. I just start out by cutting, I don't know, like an inch off on each side from length. Then what I do is I do the bottom half first.
Cold coffee, my old boots are by the door. Nobody's calling, but I don't mind it anymore. 'Cause I've had enough of the rat race, the city life, the social grace. Burnt out on confidence, so tired of keeping score. Gonna find somewhere to slow it down, buy a little place way out of town. Gonna take my time, 'cause it's all mine. Trade my pride for a quiet life. Maybe then my time will come around, way out of town. Down in the hills off old Topanga Road, there's a place I go to ease a weary soul. I could hide away above the sea,